In this video, I'll show you how to import videos in CapCut Mobile. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. From the home screen, tap New Project. This will open your phone's media library, where you can choose the videos and photos you want to edit. If this is your first time using CapCut, the app may ask for permission to access your photos and videos. Tap Allow Full Access, or choose the option that lets CapCut see the media you want to import. Without this permission, your videos may not appear inside the app. Now browse through your albums or recent media and find the video you want to use. Tap the video to select it. You can choose just one video or select multiple videos if you want to combine them into one project. After selecting your videos, check the order before importing. CapCut usually adds clips to the timeline in the same order you selected them. When you are ready, tap Add in the bottom right corner. Your videos will now appear on the editing timeline. From here, you can trim clips, split sections, add text, apply filters, insert music, adjust speed, add captions, or change the video format. If you want to import more videos later, tap the plus button on the timeline, or go to Overlay if you want to place another video on top of your main clip. If your video does not appear, check your phone permissions, make sure the file is saved locally, and confirm that the video format is supported by CapCut. You can also restart the app or update CapCut from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once your videos are imported, continue editing your project. When everything looks good, tap Export in the top right corner and save the finished video to your phone. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.